It's a critical time, it's an inflection point, I believe, for us as a country to look at what are the nations that pose an existential threat or could impose themselves on our vital national interests, this meaning they could change our way of life. If they were to attack into Europe, if they were to limit our capabilities in the Pacific, we're talking about trade opportunities, we're talking about impacting the American economy and our jobs at home. We're talking about impacting our political outcomes. So these are not to be taken lightly because the impacts of those could change our way of life if we continue to let them gain advantages and we don't take this inflection point, invest. It's not a tax. It's an investment in keeping America's Army, our military, as strong and as ready as we possibly can.
In aerospace and defense, we view modernization as a national security priority, and we are really pleased to see that the Army has clearly identified 6 priorities, including future vertical lift, that we think the warfighter really needs and deserves in the short term, and that the Army has aligned their resources to support that priority.